Market inquiry into the private healthcare sector continues following submissions made by stakeholders in the sector in October last year. The Commission has today published them on its website for public comment. The public has until the 5th of March to respond.
Following years of public outcry about expensive healthcare costs, the Competition Commission tasked a panel chaired by former Chief Justice Sandile Ngcobo to look at the competitiveness of the health sector last year. The panel received some 68 submissions from various stakeholders, including medical aid schemes, healthcare funders and hospital groups, among others. According to the panel, most of the submissions were in agreement that private healthcare expenditure was high and that inflation in the sector was consistently above average inflation. The issue of where market power lies was also raised, with some arguing that it lay in the hospital groups, others suggest in the medical schemes, with specialists also believed to wield much power.
The purpose of the inquiry is to determine whether there are any features or a combination of features in the private healthcare sector which have an adverse impact on competition in this particular sector, which has the effect of obstructing access to private healthcare services.
The inquiry will initiate public hearings later in the year. The process is set to be over by November this year. Once the panel hands over its recommendations, the Competition Commission will be able to exercise a number of options.
A lot is going to depend on the recommendations. What are they suggesting we do? In terms of the law, we could do many things. We could make recommendations to the minister on issues of regulation and legislation. We could further investigate. We could prosecute if they were to make any findings.
What the findings of the panel will be and the subsequent actions of the Competition Commission remain to be seen. But given that healthcare is a fundamental right enshrined in the Constitution, the plan is to help realise that right. Nompumelelo Siziba, SABC News, Johannesburg.
Finally,